Greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to the third video. I'm your host Munib, and in this video I'm going to teach you about how you can provision AWS EC2 Windows server or instance, and we will be installing the IIS web server. Okay. In the last videos I have demonstrated how you can install the Tomcat as a web server on AWS Linux Ubuntu EC2 instances. Okay, so I'm going to open my account. I have already uh, opened my own AWS account. As you can see, currently I'm in the Canada region, which is, as you can see right here in the list of regions. So I'm currently in Canada region, and I'm going to AWS EC2 Management Console. Okay, so let's just launch the instance for demo purpose. So right now I'm giving the IIS web server, and I'm selecting here Windows as an AMI or operating system. So I would go with the 2025 Windows Server version, which is the latest one, and it is basically a Windows 11 based theme operating system. So you would see some uh, tweaks related to Windows 11 in this operating system. Okay, so right now for demo purpose, I will be selecting the large instance, because if I go to T3 micro or any smaller instance, so it will lag, or I won't be able to show you the proper demo about how you can install the IIS web server. So right now I'm taking the T3 medium as a instance type, and I'm going to create a new key pair, which is the Windows IIS key pair. Okay, okay. Make sure to that it should be in .pem and create. When you create a new key pair, as you can see, it has downloaded, and I'm going to go with the default VPC. Okay, and subnet preference I would go like 1A, and auto assign public IP should be enabled. And right now let me just see, we have to create a security group. Okay, so let me just give it Windows EC2 SG. SG stands for security group, and I'm giving a description as this is for Windows IIS web server only. Okay, okay. In for Windows purpose, we have to give the port as 3389. It is the default port of the remote desktop server. Okay, what is the concept of RDP? It's basically, if you want to access the Windows server, so by default we can access it with the help of this port. Okay, in the upcoming videos I will show you how you can change the custom port from 3389 to any other port which you want to use it. Okay, so that I am selecting it from anywhere, and also I am giving the port 80 for hosting the IIS web server, which will be from anywhere. Okay, and for demo purpose 30 GB would be fine, but I will go with the 35 GB. And yeah, it seems perfect to me. And let's just launch the instances. Okay, as you can see that I have launched the instances, and will show you in the active state, and it will show the some status check. Okay, okay. And one more thing I would like to add in the status check is there are two checks. One is the hardware checks, and the other one is the inside the machine status. If 2 by 2 checks, if it shows you 2 by 2 checks, it means that your instance will be healthy. If any chances, if any checks fail, so it will indicate that either your hardware fails or your EMI or operating system crashes. So it will definitely replicate to a new server automatically, which will handle by AWS. Okay, so as you can see, the instance state is running. Okay, so how to connect it? That's the main question. So if you go to connect RDB client, so you have two options. Either you can use the MSTSC, which is the remote desktop server, and I will be giving the public IP and the username and then password. Okay, but right now for demo purpose I will be using this file which I'm going to download, and in order to get password I'm going to get password option. I will upload the private key, and let me just upload this file, decrypt the password, and open this downloaded file of RTP. So it will ask me the password, and as you can see that let me just show you, it is the in encrypted form, which it is not readable or memorizable. Okay, yes, and your you are able to access the Windows server. As you can see, we are able to access the Windows Server 2025, which is you would see it is similar towards the Windows 11. Okay, so you have to just go to Server Manager, this one. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to add option of the add roles and features. Okay, it is collecting some inventory data. Okay, let's just go to add roles and features. Installation type, which will be role based. Server selection would be this one right now, which I'm in the currently workspaces. Sorry, EC2 instances. Okay, as you can see, server roles, I'm going to select the web server, which is the IIS server. Once you select this, it will automatically install the additional which are required for web server IIS. So I'm going with the add features, and as you can see, there are other options like Active Directory, DNS, DHCP, or Hyper-V, which I'm going to demonstrate in the future. So stay tuned for that. Next, I will be next. I'm good with the options. Next, next, then install. So it will hardly take a few minutes to install it. Once this bar completes, I will show you the IIS web server landing page using the public IP of this EC2 instances. As you can see, the installation succeeded, and let me just go back to my EC2 console to see if the web server is being able to access or not. So I'm just copying the public IP, and as you can see that Windows IIS server, which is Internet Information Services web server, is uh, hosted and it is accessible. Okay, so that's the demo of how you can uh, provision the Windows EC2 instance and install the IIS web server using this role. Okay, so right now I'm going to terminate this server and delete it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And I will definitely come up with the exciting topics related to cloud and DevOps. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Take care and goodbye.